Did you go in the super shot over there? I did.
Yeah. Oh, I didn't. Oh wait, did I? Yeah, I did. Oh yeah.
I couldn't feel my leg after that. Oh my god, I felt tight on your middle leg. And when my friend grabs this bike, look what she does. She grabs the pole like that. Can you believe it? Ridiculous.
I'm not grabbing the pole.
That's what my friend does. She's scared to go like that. Every time we ride, she goes like this. She grabs the pole.
I swear to God. She did it before. She did it before. I did it when we were in here.
Really?
Marco! Oh, damn.
I thought he was going to say hello.
And she's afraid of that one over there with the open seats.
Yeah, that one was scary.
You want to run this one?
Yeah, this scared me too.
But that one's shorter. This one's the taller one.
Yeah, I'm scared of heights. Oh my God.
You're not-
We were going on the one like that, like down, like freaking me out. Emma is weird. That's a complete lie.
Were you freaking out on that ride?
Yeah, I was so scared.
Oh my god, you're not the only one.
Now there's just no one here, but
Yeah, everybody left. I slept in my house.
we're probably expecting you not to know, right?
Yeah. Yeah, I was kind of like
Have you tried the chaos over there?
Yeah, we did.
How? I like get sick on that thing easily from all the spinning. Oh my god. Especially this one right here. Zero gravity? Ugh, 10 times that's worse. Me neither. No way. The trapeze are okay, but who did? Wow.
I didn't know that was going to be a story. She's very mean. Stop. You're not. Oh, I thought you were video.
So you tasting the new Ferris Wheel in Atlantic City? It's way taller than this one.
Yeah.
I never went on it though.
I don't look at that. I look bad in this. I look bad in this.
There you go.
Yeah. I told my mom like quarter to 11, and that's in like 13 minutes. So when we get off on their thing, I'm okay now.
You're gonna be here a little more?
I think we're gonna leave.
Yeah, same with me. What time is it?